don't know how to start this, but good morning everyone. This is Leanne and welcome to my channel. Now this is very timely. This box arrived yesterday, but I wasn't able to get it from our school office, so now I have it now. And this shoes is a Kobe Bryant shoes, and I don't know. This is ordered from our shop, Leanne's Nook, and I will unbox this one for everyone to see. 2 days ago, we heard the very sad news na si Kobe Bryant and his daughter and the other crew died in a helicopter crash. And today we have a Mamba shoes to unbox. This one's very timely because this was ordered a long time ago, and ganina lang na ako siya nakuha sa office. So now I'm going to unbox it for everyone. So in memory of Kobe Bryant, condolences to Kobe Bryant's family, especially to his wife and kids. I know she has 3 other kids, Nabilin and his wife. And guys, paalala, life is uncertain, life is short. You have to live it happily and you have to live it purposely. But what I meant by purposely was that, yes, YOLO, you only live once. That's why you have to happy, diba? But it doesn't mean na YOLO, you have to do something that will put you into a bad situation, right? So dapat YOLO, you only live once and you have to live it with a purpose. Okay, sige, kung gimaya dari sa istorya dari no. So karon ako na ipakita ang shoes ng Mamba Black. This one is Mamba Focus, and here it is. The packaging is black, and you will see here that it is a Nike brand. And also here you will see also the details of the shoes. It is a men is 9 and 10.5 for women, and this is a Mamba Focus. Okay, so when you open that, you will see this one here, right? So you will see this one covered with this paper, and then here is the shoes, revealing the shoes to you guys. And here it is. It is a black shoes that is so gorgeous, so nice. And here it is. So that's that, and let's take off the other one and let's see one minute. Okay, so now in this one, at the back of the shoes, you will see these details in here, the logo over here, and it's very shiny. And the cloth of the shoes is something different. It's just like a snake. It's just like a snake skin. It's very nice feeling, but it's not real snake skin, right? Is it? Yes. And so you will see also here, zoom in, and then this one is the snake skin design over here. I think looks like a skin, the skin of the looks like the design of the snake, because this is Mamba, and then this one here as well, right? And that one too. It looks, the feel is, it looks like a cobra. A cobra. So that's it. So this is the cloth of the shoes, and yeah, so that's it. And also you will see here at that, ako na siya ginatawag na tang. Tang, you will see the logo of that Kobe Bryant shoes, and inside there's no logo inside the sole. There's no logo inside the sole. So, and also at the back, I mean at the bottom sa bottom part ng shoes is this, sa apakan, this is what you will see. This one here, the logo of the Kobe Bryant shoes, and also you will see also here that it is a Nike Zoom. So Nike Zoom, right? And yes, it looks gorgeous, guys. It's so nice. And the separation here, black and white, you know, it's a half of a black and white. It's very nice. So this is the Kobe Bryant shoes, the Kobe Mamba Focus shoes. And originally, guys, the price of these shoes is 3,600 baht. 3,600 baht. So here is the shoes. Two of them. I will show them to you. Looks like this one. Yes. Right. So it's very nice, and I'm sure that this one is designed for a basketball player. So obviously this isn't mine. So this is ordered from our shop, Lee and Snook. If you have a Facebook, please check that online shop page, the Lee and Snook, and also message us if you want to order something very specific. Alright, so and we will find it for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, and God bless you all. And don't forget, live your life purposely. Alright.